Guys, आज हमारा बड़ा सा task है to fill in the CHAP forms. So just a quick learning, CHAP is Comprehensive Health Assessment Program. ये annually होता है for all the, so it's by the Australian government, the Department of Health and Aged Care. ये चैप बहुत ही बड़ा फॉर्म होता है, so then we have to fill it. There is a part of a GP section to fill it, and then there is a part of the NDIS owners or whoever is the carer of the clients to fill it. It's required also by the governments for all the patients and the aged care people, and also because they get fundings, pensions, everything, and also to see their progress of how their disability is progressing or if it's getting better. So every client will be billing them for the CHAP forms under the Medicare billing, and it will be like I think it's approximately like 300 to 320 dollars per form. This is just extra information because even right now when I went to India, my friends were like, share more of the things about work and all that you do. I can't make I don't get the time to make separate educative videos, so I just include whatever I can, and even if others want to know, they can know. So behind every, जैसे कि आज मुझे 10 client 10 NDIS clients, I have to fill the CHAP forms. So if we do like 10, it will be like around $3,000 just today, plus whatever extra the GP is earning. So that's why paperwork and forms and everything is very important part of a GP's career and even their practice. So but all GPs may decide or not decide to do it depending on the workload that they want. But yeah, if a medical center has more GPs or any training GPs or anything, then it's better for them to do it and it's easier. Documentation is very important for everyone who is owning any NDIS and their clients, because उन लोगों के भी audits होते हैं. They given so much funding और बहुत ही बड़ा amount का fundings में they keep on playing around. So this year, thank God, the government has started to become so strict with any NDIS dealing things, and I'm happy about that because we know how much the NDIS owners play around with the fundings. So an online uni lecture today after clinic, so I'll go, and so usually some of my lectures are in campus and some of my lectures are online, but I really love the subject that we're going to do. We're going to do design thinking. It's more about how you can design and mold your brain cells and your thinking and all those things. I really like studying those things apart from medically clinically sab hota hai, but the master's course includes such interesting subjects and I love it. I'm tired, lekin ho jayega. If you enjoy whatever you're doing, so it's always possible. Beautiful day outside. It was my uni day. I just attended my class. The subjects for this trimester are so good. I really love them so much. It's of how different cultural factors and social factors relate to our health. I just love it. So this subject teaches you a lot about other social factors that happens, and that's why I always talk about holistic approach whenever you're doing any medical therapies or anything. So there's 2 subjects for this trimester, which is good. Another one is another great one. It's design thinking, of how you set your mindset and how you think to live a much healthier life. मुझे ना मेरे इंडिया के फ्रेंड्स बहुत याद आते हैं यहाँ पे. अभी मैं जाऊँगी वापस सेंट्रल कोस्ट. तो आज ना हम लोग डिनर करने के लिए जा रहे हैं somewhere. So all the doctors and our admin staff and we'll all go. अभी विंटर है बट तड़का इतना मस्त चमकता है ना. गर्मी it's so nice. मतलब हवा ठंडी होती है but the sun feels so warm. Hello. How are you? Hi. How are you doing? I'm coming. Wait. Hey, no fighting. Wait, I'll come back out, okay? I'll come back and play with you. Guys, I came from Sydney from my classes and now I'm going I got ready. The dogs, oh my god, I finally met the dogs. इतने बड़े. If you've been following like my Instagram or something, those puppies were so little. 8 puppies थे, अभी एक ही रखा है हमारे neighbors ने, and the mother is there. So now guys, I'm going. अभी ना अंधेरा है, but it's only 6 o'clock. I have a train coming. I'm going to Gosford. You know how I was telling you the doctors have like seminars and meetings and all that. तो आज अभी है, हम जा रहे हैं. My other doctors and colleagues and everyone will come from the medical center directly. आज है Ozempic का seminar, so the Novo Nordisk and all those pharmaceutical companies and all that, they organize these things, and then all the doctors from the Central Coast, even any endocrinologist or diabetic educators, all of them, they come, and there's free food for everyone. that's the best part. It's so funny. और ये ना रात के टाइम इसलिए होता है because all the doctors, they're all in their medical centers and like they close up right now after seeing all the patients, तो अभी सब directly आते हैं. So guys, I'm not gonna like make different videos like I said in my last video also, that so many of my colleagues want me to show them more of the educational part of my life here. Like how international doctors and they have their life over here and all that. It's not always like, I try to show you little what I can. I haven't even started full time yet. Like I do my 2 jobs. I do my other NDIS job as well. Hopefully soon when I start like full time, I'll be able to make more videos and show you guys. But I try to show you whatever I can right now, and yeah, it's fun. It's just, this is a very good way of networking. You know, there are so many doctors who come and you get to see and get so much information. We're going there and I'll show you what I can. I don't always vlog so much because बहुत सारे doctors होते हैं और हम लोग साथ में बैठते हैं. We're listening to the seminar, whatever. We're also eating at the same time, and yeah, but it's fun. Guys, ऐसे रात के टाइम ट्रेन स्टेशन में कोई नहीं होता है, ज़्यादा लोग नहीं होते. I see one person over here. कभी you have to be careful if you're taking like trains at night. So return में, I'm not taking my car because return में the doctors will drop me back home. They don't let me take the train, even no matter how much you tell them. You know, कभी ऐसा होता है when people have not used trains over here. Like I'm so used to using the trains, so when they have not used trains, they really feel like it's like, you know, unsafe public transport type of a thing. But I'm so used to it, so it's fine. But anyways, return में थोड़ा late हो जाता है, so they'll drop me, and yeah. We have some friends coming after 2 days. I'm so excited to see her and her children. Oh my god. Guys, पता है हमारे सिडनी मंदिर में वो 25th anniversary कुछ है, वो भी आ रहा है. It's like a 1 week full-fledged program, but I really don't think I'm gonna make for all of it. Maybe I'll go for like 1 day or so. एक weekend शायद off लेना पड़ेगा because मेरे weekends में भी shift आ जाते हैं. Time as usual train में कोई नहीं होता है. Guys, हम लोग ना मेरे बर्थडे में भी यहीं पे आए थे. My medical center staff brought me here. Wow, look at this artwork. So good. My colleagues have all reached. I'm probably the last one going. I don't know. मतलब अभी registration वो सब होता है. They actually start the actual whatever at 7 o'clock. I'll follow this instruction. I think these are all rooms. I'm good for now. Thank you. Thank you. It says I'll be there. You'll be there? I'll see you when you come in next. Alright. लेना है आप में से किसी को Ozempic लेने का सोच रहे हो weight loss के लिए? Today's talk was more about how it's used in diabetes, not weight loss. Yeah. Bye. See ya. Thank you. Bye. Wangara. I'm back home. I'm so tired. Look at this plant. It's becoming so big now. यहाँ पे. Oops. Guys, it's the next morning and I'm here. मुझे ना कब से धनिया उगाना है. I've just got the seeds ready. ये जो धनिया के बीज है ना, आधे मैंने ब्रेक कर दिए तो जर्मिनेशन के लिए अच्छा रहता है. ये रेडिश और मूली ऑलमोस्ट उग रहे. ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, अभी तो टाइम लगेगा. I'll just loosen the soil. जो ये दूर है ना थोड़ी सी, कुछ था नहीं ना इसमें, इसलिए हार्ड हो चुकी है. We want थोड़ी सी लूज soil. जब धनिया वगैरह उगाते हो ना, मेथी नहीं डाल रही हूँ मैं अभी, सिर्फ धनिया ही डाल रही हूँ. बाय द वे गाइस, अगर आप लोग गार्डनिंग में एक्सपर्ट हो ना तो मुझे माफ़ कर देना अगर मैं कुछ गलत कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसे करती रहती हूँ, लाइफ में सीखती रहती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि आई एम रियली गुड एट दिस गार्डनिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. मुझे अच्छा लगता है तो मैं ऐसे करती रहती हूँ. फटाफट अभी कवर कर देते हैं. आई वाटर इट. ये पुदीना ना ऊपर से ड्राई होता जा रहा है और नीचे से और अच्छे उग रहे हैं. देखो, डस्टबिन डे टुडे. ट्रक आ रही है. Okay, do it. Alright, one is for Inahita. Come. Okay, next question. Okay, what chin is this one? Ashtakon. Both of you tell me which is this one.
Kalash.
Kalash. Yes. Yeah. Which one is this one?
Danush.
Then Adi knows all of them.
Tricon.
Tricon.
कोने दूध बनेगा प्लास्टिक का ताबे तागे चीना वाला.
Which one? That's Matsya.
What's this?
This is Danush.
Good.
Oh, good. that's Gopad, baby. That's the cow. What's Krishna's cow's name?
Manti Gori.
Manki Gori is something. Manki Gori is what?
Gansham sauce.
Gancham's horse. Very good. What is Krishna Bhagwan's guy's name?
Comty guy.
Gumti guy. I had a Gumti friend in Kutch. Bindimas is making nice, yummy, Ayurvedic friendly drink. Who is gonna have yellow milk?
Whoa.
Whoa. Cheers. The God, like a teddy bear. One step and two step. And who's gonna be tickled?
Hello, Duster. आप कैसे हो? Hello, Duster. आप कैसे हो?
Where did Bhakti Masi go to work?
I'm hospital.
Hospital?
Not
Adi, what is here? What is here and it gives everywhere blood in your body?
It makes us hot.
Heart?
No, it hurts us.
Where is the heart?
It's here.
Heart is here. That is your stomach. Heart is here. What does the heart do?
Blood everywhere.
It gives blood everywhere.
And
You
what
remember?
does it do? And it hurts us.
Heart hurts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it hurts. Sometimes it hurts.
Bend it everywhere.
Yeah, we can put bandage on our heart when someone breaks our heart.
It's a machine.
Heart is a machine.
Yeah.
Is it working right now?
Yeah.
Is your heart working right now?
No.
It's not. It's not working. What takes out wee wee?
Kidney.
Kidney. How many kidneys do we have?
Four. No.
Not 4. One left.
One left.
One right.
One right.
And how many is that? 2.
2.
Time to go to sleep. Kids are almost sleeping now. I've also changed into my pajamas. Good night, children. Oh, they're so cute. The kids are gonna go back tomorrow. I'm gonna miss them so much. Oh, it's such a stress relief after a long day of work. I love children. मुझे बच्चे बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. झम झम करता मौसम प्यार के गीतों का हो छम छम करता आया मौसम बाग में फिर झूले पड़ गए पक गया मिठिया अंबिया ये छोटी सी जिंदगी तेरा लंबिया लंबिया हो घर आजा परदेसी Are you billing them right now? I've put some in the waiting list. कोई नहीं है, we're almost done. At some point ना आपका medical center आपका ऐसा second home बन जाता है. All the patients have gone. The other doctors are coming. We're going for another meeting tonight. तो अभी we'll go रात के almost 6:30 it is now. So we'll go for the meeting, have dinner, and I'll reach home at around 9:30, 10. I don't know. So ये GPs की जो meetings है ना वगैरह वो चलती रहती है and it's really good for GPs because we get to increase our CPD hours, continuous professional development, which is very important for all medical students, also all trainees like me. So even for me to, as a trainee, to get all those points is important. तो हम लोग अभी जाएंगे. I'm literally alone here. Everyone's gone and yeah. Usually ना patients ख़त्म होने के बाद we do all the referrals, some leftover scripts, कुछ भी home visits का कुछ भी होता है. We just get that done क्योंकि emails भी बहुत सारे आते हैं, बहुत सारे emails आते हैं for things to be done online. Some people want this and that and all that, and that's how the days are going. Really पता ही नहीं चलता when the time goes. And all of you know there is a mandir ka function coming up soon, and we'll be going for that. I'll pick a day when I can go. Mostly weekend. I won't work that weekend. Then if I go, I'll just work in the morning and I'll go in the evening because मेरी weekend shifts भी होती है. I really want to go. Of course, I won't go every day, but yeah, I'll see वो schedule निकला हुआ है and I'll see what जो कौन से दिन में क्या हो रहा है and then I'll go. आज का जो meeting है ना, it's for Jardians. Last time you saw we went for Ozempic. ऐसे अलग अलग medications वगैरह के meetings होते रहते हैं and we get to learn a lot with the updated remedies and protocols and medications and all that, and it's fun. My supervisor is here. He's going to finish his phone calls. तो सारे patients के बाद end में phone calls भी साथ में होते हैं because there are like so many patients also booked in for phone calls for telehealth. So we'll finish that now. It's 6:45. पता नहीं कब हम लोग जाएंगे. You know, some people when I went to Kutch, many people were like, "Oh, why don't you vlog in Australia also? Please keep on vlogging." I swear, when you're like just working, and not just me, of course, everyone, like that's how life is. But we try to do things here and there. But kabhi Monday to Friday, मतलब काम होता है. Then I go to uni. I have my master's course going on. I have to do my assignment. And then yeah, weekend पे भी थोड़ा सा काम बहुत हो जाता है. And that's how the days go. So I don't really get chance to vlog honestly. And hopefully when I go to the temple now, I'll vlog. And because मैं जाती हूँ ना तो मुझे भी अच्छा लगता है. It's like a different thing for me, you know. I like vlogging. I mean, I'm a vlogger. I like vlogging, of course. कभी कभी मेरा मन नहीं करता है. Don't expect me to be vlogging all the time. If I'm not in a mood, I don't even pick up my phone. But you know, being a vlogger वो naturally आ जाता है कि. And then people also expect you to do. Like when people see me, they're like, "Oh, Waqt is gonna vlog," and then I feel so bad sometimes if I'm not vlogging and people expect me to vlog. I don't even know when you'll see this video because even if I vlog, I don't know when I'll edit it, when I'll post it. That I don't know. I do it at my own time when I'm free. Literally the only car left here. चलो मैं वापस आ गई. हम लोग ना डॉक्टर्स सब साथ में जाते हैं and then they just drop me back to go home. My car is literally the only one left here. Guys, I really enjoyed today's seminar. It was so nice. It was so informative. So today we talked about Jardians. That's one of the SGLT2s used for. I'm using some terms, medical terms. I'm so sorry if you don't know. It's for those medical students or whoever watching my video. So it's a second line management for diabetes mellitus. So we use that one, and after metformin. So metformin सबसे पहले आता है, and then you start with SGLT2s. So that was the talk about, and even the specialists, and they came, the urologist, the nephro, endocrinologist, everyone who is related to diabetes mellitus for chronic kidney disease and all that. It was fun, so informative, especially like junior doctor like me. मैं ना जाती हूँ ना ये सब meetings में वगैरह में, I feel so like lost sometimes. Lost मतलब इतना भी lost नहीं, because you underestimate yourself so much, and then you realize कि बाकी सबको भी same ही question है. They also don't know all those things. But yeah, all the doctors who come, they are so like big and experienced, and those बड़े age में भी बड़े होते हैं. And then you feel, whenever I go, I feel like a baby doctor over there just sitting there. But yeah, it's nice that everyone makes you feel so welcome. And now because ये every time होता रहता है ना meetings ऐसे, so all the GP doctors आप सबको पहचान भी जाते हो, because they're all from the same area around the medical centers in Central Coast. So it's nice. इस टाइम कितना पीसफुल है. सुबह ना बहुत गाड़ी होती है, बहुत लोग होते हैं. चलो निकलते हैं अभी. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's freezing cold. जीजू की गाड़ी के ऊपर ऐसे कभी कभी बर्फ हो जाता है. Guys, I've been up since so long in the morning today. I don't know, since 4 o'clock. It's Sunday. I have a shift. आज ना I'll be able to go to the मंदिर. कल रात ना वो पोथी यात्रा थी, so I couldn't go. Today is the ladies cultural program and all that, so I'll try to go. मुझे अभी जल्दी नहीं है because I'm so early for work. I don't know, I just got ready and I couldn't sleep. It's just 5:30 in the morning. Guys, कितना अच्छा weather हो रखा है. It's almost raining now. I'm going back home. Finally my shift. थोड़ा सा ना बारिश भी आ रही है. My sister and them are waiting. पहले ना मैं ट्रेन लेके जाने वाली थी, but my जीजू and my sister are so sweet. उसने बोला कि तुम आ जाओ, वापस साथ में ही निकलेंगे. तो मैं फटाफट जाके रेडी होती हूँ. गाइस, बाहर घनश्याम महोत्सव की तैयारी हो रही है. अंजनी all set. My God, Anjani is so cute. Are you kidding? Guys, that's Anjani's bed. चलो start हो गया. Look at this beautiful. Hi, my tingly. शोक मार गया. Get low time. Hi, बच्चों. How are you, baby? Oh. Hi. Look at mommy is looking pretty. आज ladies का cultural program है, guys. Bhakti दीदी. Oh my, look at this. This is the Central Coast group. Central Coast group वाले सब खा रहे हैं. Guys, महेश भाई और शैलेश भाई अल्टीमेट लोग यहाँ पे मिल चुके हैं. हाँ, अमेरिका नहीं गई हूँ, यहीं पे हूँ. की चटनी है. हाँ, सब कुछ खत्म होने वाला है गाइस. फटाफट खा लेते हैं. बहुत पड़ा है. ठीक है. हाय बेबी, हाउ आर यू? गाइस, सब लोग ने ऑलमोस्ट खा लिया. किचन में सब आई नो पति के ऊपर छी. हमारे संगठन परवा का यहाँ पे मंदिर का स्पेशल मारू भजिया बन रहा है. Glad you girl, how are you?
फेशियल होता है, हैंड फेशियल।
वही ना, हाथ हाथ में जादू है यहाँ पे। हाँ, ये
60 किलो बटाटा किसके सब clean।
हमारे मंदिर के मारू के भजिया बहुत ही फेमस है। थैंक यू। Hello girls, how are you all doing? Good? Katie, Naras and Puri? All your mummies dancing tonight? Yeah! Are you excited? Bye. તને કોનો બેબી મળી ગયો મને દેખાડ ને दीपानी आई थिंक गाइस मंदिर में मस्त डेकोरेशन हो चुका है आप लोग देख लो ये लाइट्स वगैरह गाइस अभी पीछे ना लेडीज का प्रोग्राम चालू होने वाला है एंड आई एम विद माय फ्रेंड्स बेबी ओ माय गॉड द लास्ट टाइम आई सॉ अंजनी वाज लास्ट ईयर दिवाली आज मिल रही हूँ और उसकी बच्ची हो गई है गाइस मुझे अभी मेरी फ्रेंड की बच्ची मिल चुकी है अभी मुझे और कुछ नहीं चाहिए देखो कितने सो रही है प्यार से गर्ल्स ऑल द बेस्ट थैंक यू संगीता दीदी को देखो कितने प्यारे लग रहे हैं कन्हैया वाओ ओके राधा की पर्स साइज ज्यादा है यहाँ पे सो क्यूट गाइस द लेडीज कल्चरल नाइट इज जस्ट अबाउट टू स्टार्ट बाय द वे मैं ना बहुत बड़े बड़े वीडियोस नहीं डालूंगी तो आप लोग ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्ट मत करना आई एम सो टायर्ड टू व्लॉग यहाँ पे देख लो भगवान ऑलमोस्ट अभी सोने ही जा रहे हैं
चाशोबेन भीमजी मजुबेन धीरज केराई
शुभम कुरुल भजति विपति मारी श्री हरि हरो
गाइस भगवान आ रहे हैं
This is a time to look back on our journey, celebrate which was done before we were rewarded by Maharaj. આપની સમક્ષ હવે પેલો કાર્યક્રમ રજૂ કરીએ છીએ
गाइस ये तीसरा चौथा ग्रुप आशिनिल ये इन द स्टैंड्स ऑल द बेस्ट ब्रो गाइस एक से बढ़कर एक ग्रुप्स जा रहे हैं देयर इज लाइक 6 परफॉर्मेंसेस रोशन भाई आप और आपकी कैमरा टीम अच्छा काम कर रही है ना मजा आ रहा है ना ऑल द बेस्ट SSMB bro you have expanded your team I see new faces trainee you're trainee
What we're doing, we're sending the live stream clip to our team. Look at our SSMB stories.
આ બધું તમારા પાસે આ બધું સ્માર્ટ હોય બાના me you know local blogger
સંગઠન ખાલી આ લઈ આવ્યા નવું.
oh
નવું લઈ આવ્યા ને
yeah this is new one સંગઠન પરવા 25 વર્ષની વાત you put that in after every reel of your Instagram गाइस पर्दा खुलता है और सारे ग्रुप अपने पोज के साथ रेडी होते हैं आप लोग देख लो चकाचक गाइस आप लोग रोशन भाई की टीम देख लो कितनी डेडिकेटेड है ऊपर से भी शॉट आ रहे हैं
Next group, 2001 to 2010. Rancha Marathi Jai! 2006, Rancha Marathi
चांद और मनुष्य देवों के निकट एक अलौकिक प्रकाश बनकर जीता था जब अधर्म ने सीमा पार की तब अवतार का प्रकट होना निश्चित हुआ। त्रेता ने सिखाया त्याग ही वीरता का प्रथम रूप है। इस युग का प्रभाव था मर्यादा, कर्तव्य और अमर बलिदान का संकल्प रखा गया। आज हम खड़े हैं उस युग द्वार पर जहां समय भी प्रणाम करता है।
गाइस ग्रुप फोटोज हो रहा है। मैं आपको बता दूं, इन बिटवीन एवरी परफॉर्मेंस ना बीच बीच में कमेंट्री आ रही है बिफोर दे स्टार्ट डांसिंग, एंड आई डिडंट नो दिस आंटी सिटिंग हियर सेइंग द कमेंट्रीज इन सच अ प्रोफेशनल वे। I'll show you the last one she does. I just saw her here behind. She's doing it so well. It looks like almost a recorded one. Wow. Central Coast! Central Coast! Snook Central Coast! wow. Guys, so we are moving to the last one. Guys, yeah.
હરિભક્તો ચાલો આપણે સૌ વૃંદાવન જઈએ ત્યાં આત્મા અને પરમાત્માની યાત્રામાં આપણે સૌ પ્રેમ ભક્તિ અને સમર્પણથી લીલા પુરુષોત્તમ શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનની સાથે નૃત્ય કરીશું। આ નૃત્ય નિહાળતા પરમાત્મા શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ભગવાનમાં લીન થઈને શ્રી રાધાજી અને સર્વે ગોપીઓમાં આપનો આત્માનો દર્શન કરવાના છે, તો વધારે આનંદ માણી શકશો।
Wow. देखा कितना लास्ट ग्रुप वाह गाइस, ये डांस में कृष्ण भगवान है।
हम वृंदावन की सारी गोपियाँ श्रीमद् भगवद गीता को साक्षी मान के शपथ लेते हैं, जो कहेंगे सच करेंगे, जो बोलेंगे वो सच बोलेंगे। जैसा
guys, that was the end of the beautiful ladies' cultural night. Hi, Vishnu. Look at Daddy. All.
It's a key.
Did you see Mommy dancing inside? No, I didn't come yesterday. Here, beta, have pani. She's so sweet. She's like, Dr. Bhakti, please give me some pani. You know my name? Where do you know my name from?
From the YouTube.
From the YouTube. You watched my video? Thank you. Guys, that was the end of the performance of Ladies Cultural Night. बहुत ही मजा आया. All of you ladies really danced so nice. All of your performances were so good. I loved it, and everyone loved it also. Gents का भी है cultural night. I think it's on Friday. I won't be able to come. No, for sure I'm not coming. I'll come now on Saturday next week. I think Monday to Friday थोड़ा नहीं set हो पाएगा. Weekend में भी मान होता है. But yeah, that was the end. अभी मैं ज़्यादा vlog नहीं करूँगी. Oh my god, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. The Jawan was also so good. Nice, simple rasan, Kirino rasan puri. And yeah, अभी हम लोग घर जाएंगे Central Coast. I'll see you all in the next video, guys. By the way, just in case you're wondering, ये मंदिर को ना ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जो स्वामीनारायण मंदिर है यहाँ पे इसको 25 years हुआ है. उसका celebration अभी हो रहा है. And yeah, that's what it is about. Guys, मुझे लगा खत्म हो गया है. यहाँ पे तो grand finale हो रहा है. सारे कोरियोग्राफर्स लग रहे हैं मुझे. वेरी वेल डन. गाइस यहाँ पे दूसरा कोरियोग्राफर है, आप लोग देख लो. चलो भी. I was actually outside, literally ready to leave. One of the aunties like अंदर grand finale था रुजा. Guys, चलो अभी हम लोग फटाफट निकलते हैं. मैं ना निकलने वाली थी, फिर one auntie मुझे आके कहती है कि जल्दी जाओ grand finale हो रहा है. And then I went back inside to record. Guys, आप लोग ये lights देख लो यार. कितना प्यारा सजाया है सब कुछ इन लोगों ने. Yeah, I'm doing YouTube. Okay, no, please don't make it. It's okay. You know, if we shout, everyone starts looking, then I'm मेरे शर्म आवे थोड़ी. Bye. बच्चों को इतना अच्छा लगता है वीडियो में आने में. But whenever I start recording them, they start shouting so much. Guys, और तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सब लोग देखने लगते हैं फिर. People may start thinking कि oh, I'm telling them to shout. Maishwa, hello. How are you? Good. दिनेश भाई, आपकी पार्किंग की टीम का काम ठीक से चल रहा है ना? 100%. Okay. Oh guys, it's so cold outside. Let's go. Guys, सुबह 4 बजे से उठी हूँ मैं. I wasn't even sleeping in the morning. I have no energy. I have no idea when I'm going to edit these videos that I'm taking. Oh my god. Seriously. Welcome back on Saturday, I think. Oh my god. I need to sleep now.